In this activity, they are asking us to count the numbers of syllable. Here they have asked us to mark the stressed syllables. Students, we will talk later about it because first it is important to know what is syllable and how to divide a word into syllable, right? If you will we will talk about it, then it will be complicated for you. So today what we are our focus is on what is syllable and how we count syllables in one word. Got it? So the first word is always. So do the same exercise as we did. Put your hand under your chin and speak the word. So how many syllable did you got? Two. Always. And the second thing, there are actually students, there are many rules, but the easiest one is the one which I have told you. The second rule is that according to its definition, that there should be a syllable should be having one vowel sound in it, right? So count the vowel number of vowels here. A, two vowel sounds. All, ways. How many vowel sounds are here? Two vowel sounds. Playmate. Students, this is a word which is compound. So the compound words are divided separately. Play, mate. Two syllables. Looking. Look, ing. Two syllables. Lying. Lie, ing. How many vowels are here? I. You know, students, there are five vowels. A, E, I, O, U. They are the letters, vowels. But the vowel sounds in English, there are maybe more than 20 vowel sounds, right? So, according to those sounds, Y is also one of the vowel according to sounds, not according to spellings. Understood? So lie, I. This is, we are counting it like a sound. Lie, ing. There are two vowel sounds. Eh, enough. Eh, enough. So is one sound, enough is another. How many vowels are here? E, 1, 2, 3. There are three vowels, but this vowel O and U together they are making one sound. Got it? Nuff, nuff, nuff. Got it? Thus, we are not going to count the number of vowels, but the number of sounds. Here, angel. How many vowels are here? A and E. But basically, we are going to talk about and going to think about sounds. Angel. Two sounds, two vowels. Continued. Continued. How many vowels are here? O, I, U and E. There are four number of vowels. But basically our concentration should be on, as I have told you, on vowel sounds. Khan, thin, yud, thin, and yud. So there are three vowel sounds we got from this word. Continued, three syllables. Ad, ar, two syllables. Why? How many vowels are here? O and E. But basically, two vowel sounds, ad and r. Summer. How many vowels are here? U and E. Summer. Students, remember that whenever there are double consonants, we will separate them. There is another rule. Okay? Admitted. A, I, and E. Three syllables, vowels sounds are here. Admitted. Little. Here are two vowels, I and E. Lit, lit, tull, lit, tull. How many vowel sounds? 2. Shoulder. How many vowels are here? O, U, E. 3 vowels. But O and U together, these vowels are making and producing one sound. Shoulder. Shoulder. And similarly, at the same time, put your hand under your chin and do pronounce these words. You will got the same number of syllables as I have written here. Moment. Moment. How many vowels are here? O and E. 2 vowels. But how many vowel sounds are here? Moment. Right? 2. Breakfast. Breakfast. How many vowel sounds are here? Vowels are 3. A, E, A and A. Yani 3 syllables are here. 3 vowels are here. But these together are producing one sound. Break. This is not break. This is break. Breakfast. Breakfast. So 2 syllables are here. Got it? Here, never. How many syllables are here? How many vowels are here? E and E. 2 syllables. 2 vowels. So how the sounds are producing? Nev, nev, 2 syllables. Morning. Morn, ing. How many vowels are here? O, I. 2 vowels. And how many vowel sounds? Morn, ing. Monkey. How many vowels are here? O and E. And how many vowel sounds? Monkey. Widest. How many vowels are here? I and E. And they are producing exactly 2 vowel sounds. Widest. Indeed. How many vowels are here? I and double E. But remember, as we are doing here, whenever 2 vowels are together, they are producing one sound, right? And they are considering as one. Indeed. 2 vowels, 2 syllables. Courage. How many vowels are here? O, U, A and E. O and U are considering as one, and A and E. Yani we have 3 vowels. So how many sounds are producing? Courage. 2 syllables. Listen, students, reminding you once again that we are concentrating over sounds, not spellings. Okay? So this is all about it. I have not finished these ones. Why? Because they are your homework. I want you to let me know that how much you have understood about the activity. This is your first, maybe this will be your first lesson about syllable. Don't worry, don't get confused about anything. You can listen the lesson again and again. And if you will not be able to do this activity or count the number of syllable, even then no problem, I am there to help you out. Okay, so what is your homework? You are going to count their number of syllable. Okay, student, this is all about today's lesson. And today we learn that about syllables, that syllables are the words that sounds when we create naturally, that divide the word into parts, and those parts are called syllables. And every syllable must have a vowel sound in it. This is the, you can say, true one thing about syllable. And why we are doing this activity? So that we can pronounce words better and we can spell words correctly. And I told you an exercise that you are going to, how you will going to learn to pronounce a word and counting the number of syllables. You are going to put your hands under your chin, and the number of time when your chin will be dropped, it will be the number of your syllables. Okay, inshallah, students, Hope this activity will be helping you out, and we will meet with some other activities in our next classes. Till then, goodbye.